Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. In this window here, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.